Go.
Uptown Swing level 2.
We're in a different room.
Mixing. So we did Frankie's 8s. So we turned a bunch of the Frankie's 6 stuff into 8 count things. So we did it with the double turn. We did it with a double turn. We did it with a walk. Walk, kind of twisty style. And then we finished out however we like. We also did some of these kind of good practice steps that are a little douchebaggy if you do them too much on the social floor, so take it easy with these. We did rock, step, rock, step, rock, rock. Oh my gosh, we were all over the place. You could rock it. Oh, wait a minute. We're rock stepping forever again. It's a practice step. It's not a great test for your followers on the social floor. People hate it. Then, we did a nice job with it. We worked also on thinking, what if you just do triple steps for a while? And then you can add that in there. We just break it down with triple steps or step steps and having y'all work with it. That's it. Yo, Maddie!